With MagFone Chats Transfer, you can easily transfer, backup, restore, and export WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, Line, Kik, and Viber chats between iPhone, helping you manage your data securely and without hassle. Take WhatsApp as an example. Connect your iPhone using USB cable. Unlock your iPhone, tap Trust when prompted, and enter your device passcode if needed. When everything is ready, click Transfer. Confirm the data overwrite prompt on the target device, and wait for the process to finish. If you want to back up WhatsApp chats, choose Backup. Unlock your device. Keep your device connected until the backup completes. To restore WhatsApp data from a backup, choose Restore. Unlock your device, and select the backup file from the list. Click Restore and follow the instructions. Once done, the chats will appear on your phone. If you need to export WhatsApp chats from a backup, open Export. Choose a backup from the list and select the specific chats you want. You can click the eye icon to view detailed backup information. Click Export. MagFone will save the files on your computer, allowing you to view or print them anytime.